Welcome back to your own channel Cat to Correct. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a copy of any object in Sketchup, like with the required measurement or multiple copy of any object in Sketchup. Before continuing in this video, we have a small request. Please do subscribe our channel to get more updates of such content. For make a copy, we have to select the object, then we have to go to the move tool. We will go to the move tool by clicking the mouse. You can use the keyboard shortcut, that is M, and you can activate the move tool. After that, we have to select any point like this. I am selecting this corner point, or you can select this corner point, like I will select the second point. Then we can easily move this object in any axis, like red axis, green axis, or blue axis. But we want one copy of this object. We have to press again another key from the keyboard, that is Control. After pressing Control, you can see you have made a copy of this object. You have made a copy of this object. Then you have to select you have to click on the mouse, left click. I will click the left click, and then you can see this is the one copy of this object. This is the small video how to create a copy in SketchUp with required distance or multiple copies. If you enjoy and learn something in this video, then do like our video. Or thanks for the subscribe our channel. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.